Good morning, fourth graders, and I'm here in our classroom and it's so lonely without you guys. I thought I would just do a quick review for your arithmetic test that you'll be taking today. I know you have 3 problems with this division, with the 2-digit division, so let's go ahead and get started. I just want to kind of remind you guys of how to do this. So look right here, we have 61, and we know that we estimate with 61, and we would estimate to 6. So we write that right here. And then we ask ourselves, how many times will 6 go into 3? Well, 6 can't go into 3, so we put an X here. Now, can 6 go into 32? Yes. So we put another X, and 6 will go into 32 5 times. So we write our 5 up right here, and now we multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Next step is to subtract. 0 minus 5, can't do that. So we have to borrow from the 2, make that a 1, and that becomes a 10. Let's subtract and we get 15. Now, 15 is smaller than 61, so we're good. So let's bring down our 7. Now, we ask ourselves, how many times will 6 go into 15? And that will go into 15 2 times. Now, let's multiply 2 times 61. 2 times 1 is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So let's subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So now we have a remainder of 35. Now, our next step is to check. So we would take 61 and multiply that by our answer of 52. And I'm going to do that quickly for us. All right, now, don't forget to add that remainder, all right? So then we add 35, and we get 3,200 and, oh, this should be 7. Uh-oh, my bad. This should be 7. 3,207, and that equals the same thing as our dividend, all right? And so now let's look at these decimals. I know these decimals are brand new to you, so let's review just a little bit. We know that if we are going to the right of the decimal point, we have our tenths, hundreds, and thousands. And we know also whenever we are saying our decimals, anytime we have this decimal, we say the word and. So the way that I would say this word, it would be 39 and 67 hundredths. All right, and then this one would just be 7 tenths because it's just one place. This one would be 98 hundredths. And now this one's kind of tricky. All right, we have to go all the way to the 3rd place, which is thousands, and this is 7 thousandths. And then this one would be 305 thousandths. So don't forget that, and don't get mixed up if you see some zeros. We always say one place is tenths, two places are hundreds, and the 3rd place is thousandths. Now, really quickly, let's go over here and do a fraction review. Don't forget to always get common denominators. In most of your fraction problems now, you'll have to do that. So let's look right here. We have 5 and 3, and I know you guys are already thinking this. 15 is our common denominator. So we have to make them equivalent. 3 times 5 equals 15, and 1 times 5 is 5. Now, 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now, is 6 larger than 5? Yes, it is. So now we can subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1 over 15, and then don't forget about those whole numbers. 4 minus 3 is 1. So our answer is 1 and 1 over 15. I hope you guys do well on your math test, and let me know if you have any questions. Love you guys and miss you.